switch. Switch. That ain't working. Nothing's working. I'm too tired. It's too long. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, it's going. That one was going much better. We're going to keep going with that. Oh, it's on. It's like all the way on.
Wow.
It's never coming off. Ever. Ever. Okay, people. So, we got this thing. Now, guess what we're going to do? We're going to plug this thing into this thing. Because this is where it goes. This is where it goes. Okay. You know that's where it goes. You guys, I was going to say, I was going to see if you do plug in a... Should probably check and see if that plugs in first before you go through all this, people. If you see a little bit of color in here, it means you ain't got it snapped in all the way. So make sure you get it snapped in all the way. Yeah. All right. Alright. Yeah, those these things here. Yeah, you gotta spin them on. I gotta find my screwdriver. It's hot. It's very hot. I probably added water to this fuel tank just by sweating on it. Now put your back seat back in it. Get all your trash out. Just get don't throw it on the ground. Don't do that. Don't just throw your stuff around. Jesus. Why are you calling me now? There you go, people. You feel pumped. Alright.
Make sure the customer's satisfied. I'm satisfied, John. Oh, let me fuck around. Something happens time I go down the road, I'll be like, John, this is the one right here. You see you satisfied. Damn, I fucked up.